Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Jovi, and for today's video, we are going to have a very interesting topic. So when I started doing YouTube last year, ang palagi kong natatanggap na question is, what do you do in Australia? Ano ang trabaho mo sa Australia? So in this video, I am going to answer that question. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. So since ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is about my current job, I thought it's going to be a perfect opportunity para i-share ko sa inyo kung ano ang mga naging trabaho ko dito sa Australia. So obviously, 10 years ago, nung nagsisimula pa lang ako, iba yung trabaho ko. And I would love to share them with you all para naman makunan nyo ng aral or inspiration, diba? So mag-start tayo from the top. So nung dumating ako ng Australia, 2011, first talaga na job ko. I will consider it as a job kasi I got paid. So, it's a job, right? First, nung dumating ako, nandun ako sa Cows. So, Cows is around 2 hours drive from Melbourne City. So, medyo malayo siya. Parang country area siya. Wala kasi akong ginagawa sa bahay. So, I was looking for something to do. Then, I saw sa isang newspaper, may advertisement na kailangan daw nila ng someone na magdi-deliver ng mga junk mails. So, if you're in Australia, guys, yung junk mails dito is yung mga brochures, mga flyers, mga newspaper, mga ganun-ganun. So, i-deliver mo yun every house dun sa lugar nyo. So, ang ginawa ko, kinonta ko yung naglagay ng advertisement. So, sabi ko, I think I can do this. At first, tinanong niya ako kung meron ba akong sasakyan. Kasi nga, diba, may, kailangan mo ng sasakyan kasi, ano yun guys, yung parang magdi-deliver ka nga, kung wala kang sasakyan, mahirap i-fulfill yung work na yun. So then, I said, no, I don't have a car, but I can do this and I can do that. Anyways, she said, okay, that's fine, as long as you can do the job. So, pumunta siya ng bahay, guys. Nagdala siya ng bag. Maybe dalawang boxes na ang laman lahat. Yung mga brochures nga, yung mga junk mails. So, sinabi niya sa akin na ganito, ganyan, i-deliver mo yan sa mga bahay-bahay. Tapos I said, okay, that's fine. Cool, gagawin ko yan. So, then I remembered Tita Gabi. So, Tita Gabi is my friend. She is from Cagayan de Oro, so the same city kung saan ako nanggaling. And it just happened that we are in the same area dito sa Australia. So, what a small world, right? Naalala ko siya kasi meron siyang bike. Tapos, pinuntahan ko siya, sabi ko, I'm doing this work, I will deliver all these junk mails. And, kailangan ko ng bike, so hihiramin ko yung bike mo. Tapos sabi niya, that's okay, pero nga guys, yung kadena ng bike niya is kadenang ginto na guys, kasi very, yellowish na, kasi nga, rusty na siya. Pero sabi ko, na I'll make that work. So, I cleaned it. Parang, I made sure na okay yung bike bago ko naman sinakyan, guys. So, it was fine. So, dinala ko na yung bike sa bahay, guys. And then, I started yung mga junk mails, nilagay ko sa bag ko para naman kahit mag-drive ako ng bike, guys, backpack lang siya. Punong-puno ng mga junk mails, yung bag. Tapos, yung sa naman, dito naman sa handlebar ng bike, nilalagay ko water ko or yung drinks ko ba, in case naman na uhawin ako kasi magda-drive ako or magra-ride ako ng bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle ako, guys, papunta sa mga bahay-bahay. So then when I started doing that, I thought to myself na it is a perfect practice for me to go out and speak to people kasi nga bago ako sa Australia, guys, so speaking English is not my thing, right? So nung nag-start na akong magdala ng mga junk mail sa mga bahay-bahay, so yung may mga tao, guys, sa labas ng bahay nila, sasabihin ko, hi, how are you? Do you want this? Do you want that? Some people would say, no, that's fine. Which is fine, right? Like, you accept rejection. That is okay. That's part of it. Pero yung ibang, minsan guys, diba yung mga mailbox, sinasabi, no junk mail. Pero guys, alam nyo, nilalagyan ko pa rin yun para maubos yung dala ko guys. Kasi, very hard, very heavy kaya yung bag ko guys. Sobrang dami ng laman. So, kaya, so I kept doing that for a while. Tapos guys, alam nyo, yung first sahod ko talaga dahil dun sa pag-send ng mga junk mails was $70. I remember I called my mom straight away. Like, I told my mom, like, I've done my first work in Australia and like I have my own money. It was $70 and I was very, very happy guys. Alam niyo yung feeling na parang pinaghirapan niyo talaga yung pera guys? Yes, that was my feeling. Tapos pinadala ko yung iba guys para pang snack ng family ko sa Pilipinas guys. Kasi nga diba share your blessings tayo dito guys. Tapos yun. Pero alam niyo guys, I was very naughty that time to guys, kasi alam niyo, hindi talaga siya naubos guys, kasi mahirap to siyang ubusin, ang dami, tapos yung ibang mga houses guys, ayaw nila ng junk mail, so merong naiwan sa akin guys. Alam niyo yung ginawa ko guys, tinago ko sa ilalim ng ng bed, tapos pag na guys, tinapon ko guys pag may truck na ba para sa mga mga rubbish na, tinapon ko siya guys. But it was okay because I think I've done a lot naman, more than 3/4. So konti lang yung naiwan sa akin guys. But alam nyo guys, it was great. It was very inspirational for me guys, kasi alam ko that it wasn't easy. Alam mo yun? Kasi guys, naman, ginawa ko yun guys, winter pa. So, can you imagine? Yung parang ang ginaw-ginaw. So, guys, alam nyo, ang suot ko, very thick na pants. Tapos, very thick din na jumper. Tapos, naka-shoes talaga ko guys, na parang Ugg boots. Yung very soft na, very comfortable na boots. Guys, yun yung sinusuot ko guys pag very cold siya. Tapos guys, pag nagra-ride ako ng bike, very maginaw sa kamay. Kasi nga 'di ba winter. Kaya guys, I was very happy to receive that $70. I think that was the hardest job I've done. Like physically, kasi nga nag-drive ako. Minsan guys, 'di ba hilly, yung ibang place hilly. Yung ginagawa ko guys, kasi hindi ako makapedal ba guys. I get off the bike, tapos pinupush ko na lang yung bike guys para lalo na pag harap ko yung wind, kasi ako ng wind ba, hinahangin ako guys. But yeah, it was really good. When I look back at that experience guys, it makes me so happy and very proud of myself guys na nagawa ko yun, kasi yeah, I know it wasn't easy at all. Yes, so guys, that was my first job here in Australia. Ang naging pangalawang work ko is with Tita Gabi. So, yun nga, na-mention ko yung may-ari ng bike na may kalinang ginto. Yeah, guys, yun si Tita Gabi. So, yung second job ko, guys, is with her. So, sa Cows, guys, she worked at a Shell station. Dito kasi sa Australia guys, yung petrol station, hindi na kailangan ng gasoline girl or gasoline boy. Kasi, help yourself dito. Yung mga driver, yun yung naglalagay ng mga gasolina sa sasakyan. So, yung job ni Tita Gabi, sa cashier siya. Tapos, may mga ka rin kasi, di ba sa loob ng mga petrol station, may mga chicherya, may mga everything na parang grocery store siya. Doon yung work niya. Pero sa loob din ng petrol station na yun guys, meron silang takeaway. Nagbebenta sila ng mga burger, ng mga pies, mga ano pa bang binibenta nila doon? Yung mga chips, yung mga ganun guys. So, sabi ni Tita Gabi, mag-apply ka kasi kailangan nila ng kitchen hand. Yung sa kusina, magtulong-tulong sa kusina. So, yung ginawa ko guys, nag-send ako ng resume sa boss ni Tita Gabi. Tapos, naalala ko pa guys, yung interview namin dun pa sa loob ng sasakyan ng kanyang boss. So, tinanong niya ako kung may experience ba ako sa kitchen? Tapos sabi ko naman oo. Kasi nung sa Pilipinas ako guys, nagtrabaho ako sa karinderya guys. Kung alam nyo lang. So, may experience talaga ako sa kusina. Kahit konti lang. Tanggap ako guys. Start ako ng casual. So, I think, lang guys, maybe 3 days a week yung work ko doon. Tapos, yung trabaho ko doon guys is that kung may mag-order ng hamburger, ako yung gumagawa. Tapos pag may nag-order ng yung chips, ako yung nagpa-fry, yung mga ganun-ganun ba guys. Tapos, ang pinakamahirap lang sa work na yun guys is that because I'm too short, yung bakery ba nila guys, nasa taas kasi. So, yung ganito ko, parang ganito, ganyan. Mga sunog ko yan dyan, guys. Kasi mainit, di ba, ang bakery, obviously. So, pag may nagsabi, oh, can I please buy Chico roll? Pag ganun ko, guys, ay naku, ayan na. Napasok na si ate nyo, guys. Kasi very short, very pandak ang ate nyo, guys. So, and then, very challenging sa job na yun, guys, is that, pagkatapos ng work, kailangan mong linisin, guys. So, yung nilulutuan ng mga hamburger, very maitim, na very dirty talaga, guys. So, you have to use a very special thingy na spray. Tapos, pag nilagay mo dun, guys, ligyan mo ng tubig, yung mag-aso-aso ba siya, guys? So, yung lahat ng aso, guys, sa mukha mo, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't even imagine kung paano ko nagawa yun, guys. But anyways. And then, pag afternoon, guys, may pa yung mga oil na mga gamit na. So, you have to throw that away. So, di ba maraming oil yung guys, na gamit. So, isang baril. Yung ng baril, guys. Kine-carry ko pa yan, guys. Dinadala ko sa labas, sa likod. Kasi sa likod pa yung, yung parang, pinagtatapunan ng mga used oil ba. And, I used to actually like pour it on the floor, yung mga guys, kasi very heavy siya, guys. Kailangan mong gawin, di ba? So, yun yung ginawa ko. But then, from that experience, guys, I learned a lot. Yung perseverance, yung OSAR, it was perfect time for me na learn to talk to people. Kasi nga nahihiya ako at first, diba? Kasi pag bago ka pa sa Australia, of course, English yung mga tao. Ayaw kong magsalita kasi nahihiya ako. But then, from that experience, I learned a lot. Tapos, na-expose ako sa mga tao. So, like when people come and order something, you're like, oh, can I please have a hamburger? Tapos, oh, it's okay. Would you like this? Would you like that? Would you like anything else? Yung mga So, guys, may interaction ako sa mga Australian. So, nag-start na akong mag-cheka-cheka sa kanila. So, that was my second job in Australia. Tapos, nag-aral na ako, guys. Pag-usapan natin to in another video, yung pag-aaral and everything. Tapos, nag-aaral na ako. And then, nung natapos ko na yung pag-aaral ko, guys, nag-apply ako online. So, kasi pinag-aralan ko, guys, is business administration dito sa Australia. So, yung pagkatapos ng pag-aaral ko, guys, I went online straight away and looked for a job. Tapos, nung nakita ko, guys, may sa Gumtree pa yun, may advertise ng sales, yung parang administration assistant pa. So, straight away, nag-message ako, sinin yung resume ko, sabi ko, I'm fresh. Fresh pa lang ako kakatapos ko lang mag-aral ng business ad. I would like to apply for the job. Tapos, the next day, tinawagan nila ako, guys. They asked me if I can come for an interview. Tapos, yun, guys, yun na yung ginawa ko. So, pagpunta ko, guys, natanggap ako. Like, straight away, guys, pumunta ako doon ng morning. Tapos, sabi niya, oh, okay, are you able to start working now? Sabi ko, ngayon na talaga. And then, I'm said like, yeah. I said like, yeah, okay, yeah, I can do it. So, since nandun na naman ako, guys, nag-start na akong mag-work the same day sa interview ko. O, diba, bongga sa atin yun. But, yes, so I've done that. I was like, administration assistant, yan yung ginawa ko. Tapos, after, I think, maybe a year, maybe less than a year, na-promote ako, guys. So, they made me as the customer service, website orders, and customer service specialist. Parang ganun. Something like that, guys. Kasi before nagano lang ako, 'di ba? Admin assistant, so lahat ng mga orders, mga ganito ganyan, I key in and all that. Pero ngayon, guys, nung naging nung na-promote ako, nag-ano na sila kasi may website din yung pinatatrabahuan ko, guys. Well, I wanna mention, yung pinatatrabahuan ko pala is ang tawag dito, yung business nila is they're selling bicycles dito for, like Australia-wide. So, meron silang mga shops all around Australia. Tapos, may website din sila, guys. So, online shop. So, yun yung minamanage ko nung na-promote ako. So, nung na-promote ako, sila, parang meron silang mga workers din na from Philippines din. So, yung mga nagpa-process ng mga orders, instead of dito sa Australia, guys, meron silang nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ng app o ng website na gamit nila. But meron silang mga Filipino workers na working online lang. So, yun yung minamanage ko, guys. Yung mga workers online. Yung sila yung nagpa-process ng orders, and I just made sure that everything was fine. Everything is on time. Yung mga ganun ba. So, I've done that for, I think 2 years. 2 years and something. Yeah, I think 2 years and something ginawa ko yung work na yun, guys. Meron kasing nangyaring trahedya sa buhay ko dito sa Australia, guys. Kaya napilitan akong umuwi muna ng Pilipinas para makasama yung pamilya ko. Kaya yung nangyari, I had to leave my job. So, yeah. Kung hindi dahil sa nangyari, guys, nandun pa rin ako sa trabaho, sa work na yun, guys. Kasi, pag nagkatrabaho ako, guys, I'm very loyal. Yung parang magstay ako sa job na yon kasi naman they cared for me, they love me, they treat me as a family. Kaya love na love ko yung trabaho ko na yun, guys. And then yun nga, as mentioned, umuwi ako ng Pilipinas for a few months. Tapos nung pagbalik ko dito sa Australia, yung job na available sa kumpanya nila, guys, is part-time only. And then, I realized na sa sitwasyon ko nun, guys, I need a full-time job kasi hindi ko kayang suportahan yung sarili ko kung part-time lang siya. So, yung ginawa ko, naghanap ako online, nag-apply na naman ako sa iba't ibang klaseng trabaho, guys. Oh, God, I can't even imagine how many rejections I had. Like, guys, maybe 100? Am I exaggerating? Maybe less than 100. Pero ang dami talagang job, guys, na in-applyan ko na unsuccessful ako, guys. But then, 2015, I remember, Mimi was with me, yung sister ko, guys. Pumunta ako tinawagan ako ng isang kumpanya. Sabi, they're asking me to come in for an interview. So, yung ginawa ko, guys, pumunta ako. Tapos, before, guys, alam niyo yung ginawa ko, guys. Before ako pumunta ng interview, bumili ako ng isang, guys, yung brand new talaga yung suot ko, guys. Kasi pang-add ba ng confidence. Yung ginawa ko, guys, bumili ako ng bagong sapatos, bumili ako ng bagong pants, ng top. Yun yung ginawa ko, guys. Kasi, diba, if you are feeling good, yung bang parang nare-reflect yung yung performance mo. So I went in for an interview, kinausap ako ganito, blah 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 blah. And then after that sa interview, guys, tinawagan nila ako maybe a week after, sabi, natanggap ako, guys. So yung trabaho ko na to, guys, is yung trabaho ko ngayon. So, from 2015 until now, ito pa rin yung trabaho ko, guys. So, I have been with the company for 5 years now. And, so yung work ko ngayon, guys, is sales administrator. So, yes, that's my work right now. And, I work in a technology distribution company. And yeah, it's a pretty big company. It's based in New Zealand. That's where it started, but then it's really big in Australia now. So we've got offices all over Australia and then all over the world na rin siya, guys. Kasi we've got in Malaysia, Taiwan, Fiji, Thailand, and yeah, I should know this. But yeah, all over the world, guys, meron na rin. So it's a pretty big company. And yeah, until now, as mentioned, from 2015 to 2020, I am still working in the same company. Diba nga sabi ko, guys, I'm very loyal. Kung minamahal ako ng work ko, guys, minamahal ko rin sila. So, yung company ngayon, guys, they love me, and again, they treat me as their family. That's why I'm still with them. And yeah, I can see myself with them for long term, guys. I think like for, I don't know, long term talaga. Hindi ko masayang forever, guys, diba? Kasi walang forever. Bitter. But yeah, I can see myself working with them for a while, for a long time. So yeah, so yun na yun, guys. Yun na yung work ko, guys. Nalaman nyo na. So I work as a sales administrator. So when I look back, guys, sa mga naging trabaho ko before to what I am doing now, I am very proud of myself. Kasi nga, diba, guys, so alam nyo, nung sisend ako ng mga junk mail, alam nyo, guys, yung very cold outside, I was riding a bike just to send all those junk mails to sa lahat ng mga bahay-bahay, guys. And then now, look at me working in an office environment, dealing with big people, guys, big companies, and you know, I'm super proud of myself kung ano man yung narating ko from when I started sa Australia hanggang ngayon. Kasi, di ba nga, before, nahihiya akong makipag-usap sa mga tao, yung mga nakakausap ko lang, yung mga tao na binibigyan ko ng junk mail, and now I talk to like big companies, and you know, deal with, you know, like, I don't know, yung mga big, mga dagkong tae ba, guys. And I'm very, yeah, it makes me feel so good. It makes me feel so good. So that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed and naway naging inspirasyon para sa lahat yung mga, yung experience ko. And yeah, kung ano man yung mga trabaho nyo ngayon, guys, and you think like, oh, this is really hard, isipin nyo lang, guys, that there's always tomorrow, and if you are just working really hard, you'll get to where you want to be. So yeah, just pursue your dreams, guys, and yeah, just trust in God. And also, yeah, it's what they said, just do your best and God will do the rest. Please give this video a thumbs up, guys, and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. I would like you all on board. And if you have any more questions or requests, just let me know and we'll try to accommodate everything, all that. And yeah, I hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!